guys, we have another takeout kit that we thought we would make for you. This one is Peruvian chicken. I like the new boxes from Takeout Kit.
Pretty shiny.
Yeah, so this one was interesting because either you can have it where they include the chicken, which is usually like a bag of chicken bits, or what we did is you can actually pay a little bit less and then provide your own protein. So,
yeah, they recommended like a rotisserie chicken, but we thought we'd go a little higher end and use chicken from some other box. What was that box called?
Butcher Box.
Butcher Box, yeah, which has some really great meats in it. So we're going to use chicken from Butcher Box, and we just kind of, what do you do with it?
Oh, I just poached it.
Yeah, just poached it and just kind of shredded it. And I think that'll be good. What do we got in the box?
Okay, earn free food.
Yay! Okay, we've got some long grain rice. We've got some little tiny candies.
They have a point system.
Cute little candies.
It's cute and candies.
All right.
Fun.
Those little hard candies.
Probably Peruvian candies.
All right, some walnuts.
Ooh, yummy bag of olives.
Some delicious looking olives.
Oh, this is olive oil. That's cool.
Oh, it's nice that they include it, that they don't just, a lot of boxes are just like,
provide your own olive oil.
Must have olive oil.
Yeah.
Everyone has olive oil.
Parmesan cheese, yummers.
Yellow hot pepper paste.
Oh, fun.
You can smell that, can't you?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, that's fun.
I'm excited about that.
Evaporated milk and a cute little takeout box with some chicken stock, saltines, onion, and garlic.
All right.
That's fun.
Fun.
Okay, let's get cooking.
Let's do it. All right, step one, find the instructions because I have lost them.
Really?
All right, prep ingredients: open and drain chicken or shred rotisserie chicken with 2 forks. Done. In a small bowl, combine the onion and garlic blend with a 1/4 cup of water.
Water.
Okay, onion and garlic. Come on, baby. Okay, we gotta switch sides. It's freaking me out.
Sorry, I'm on your side.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, onion and garlic blend in.
Water. In a second small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of water to the garlic.
What?
Wait, what? Garlic.
Ah!
Okay, open the can of evaporated milk. Rinse and drain rice in a fine sieve or bowl. Tip, you can poke tiny holes and run water through the rice bag until clear.
Genius. Drain the rice?
Yeah, poke holes, drain rice.
You really need a lot of holes in this. Stab at thee.
I don't know, that might be more effort than it's worth. Yeah. I feel like we need to poke more holes. Or just do it.
Well, the problem is I'm worried about the rice leaking out at this point.
Okay, let's see. All right, so warm first olive oil. I guess that's warm one of these in the large saucepan on medium heat. All right, and then we add the rehydrated garlic, but this is like not rehydrated yet.
Optional. Oh, if boil eggs. Yeah, let's do some eggs. We need a couple hard-boiled eggs for this. So we're gonna use the cutest little Dash cooker. Love this thing. The only thing I don't like about this thing is that the alarm at the end is about 1,000 decibels. If you haven't used one of these, we bought this. No one sent this to us. This is the cutest thing on the planet. I'll show you. All right, you just take your 2 little eggs. This little guy. Get the little poker. With the bottom of it. It's the bottom of it.
Poke it?
Yeah. Otherwise, how's the stuff supposed to escape? So the steam and everything comes out. Otherwise, they would explode.
Interesting.
Yep. And then you put this on here, you fill it to the top. A little hard-boiled line. Actually, I like to go a little bit past that. Dump the water. Put the top in. Plug it in using my last plug. And hit the on button. That's it. And it'll beep like crazy when it's done. And that's it. So nice. I don't have to get a pot of water. I don't have to boil it. I don't have to keep an eye on it. Done. All right. What's next?
Okay, so olive oil.
Olive oil. Yes. Where'd it go? Olive oil.
So it says first olive oil. So I'm assuming I don't know if
there are 2
second olive oil for something else. Oh yeah, warm second olive oil back over here. Okay, so just 1 olive oil, and then add the rehydrated garlic, but warm a little bit more.
The garlic warm?
I mean the
EVOO?
what's that stuff called? Yeah, the EVOO. Rachel Ray.
What?
Okay. All right, you ready?
I'm waiting. Okay, what's next?
A few seconds until brown, and then add the rice to the pan.
Yeah, it's browning up rather quickly.
Okay. Rice.
All right.
Got it.
Thank you.
add 2 cups of water and 2 chicken broth packets.
Chicken broth packets?
Yeah, these things.
Ah, they're so cute. Okay, got the water? Essence of chicken. Thank you. A lot of water.
Alright, stir well, bring the rice to a boil, then turn down the heat, cover, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Continue with the recipe while the rice cooks. Excellent, okay.
I like that instruction. Just that one instruction makes my life so much easier. Because I don't have to friggin' guess.
Right, right.
Like, I don't have to, I don't have to like project manage this thing.
Okay, so now we are going to use our blender.
Yes.
Okay, so in here I'm going to put the evaporated milk, saltines. I don't know why I think it's so funny that there's saltines in here. Saltines, and then 3 to 5 tablespoons of the yellow stuff.
3 to 5 tablespoons?
Yeah, it says 3 to 5, depending on your preferred spice level. Looks like baby food.
Don't. Why?
What?
Do not feed to your baby.
Right. Do you want to do 4?
Starting now.
Sure. I mean, we like the spicy. One more?
Ooh, it is spicy. Woo!
Really? 4 it is. Yeah, if she's already doing that, then we're done.
Good though. I'm excited about that. And then most of the walnuts. This is an interesting sauce.
Alright, let's do it. Gonna suck all the air out of it first?
Yeah.
Smoothie that thing.
Okay. And then warm the second olive oil in a large saucepan over medium. Oh, do we need a second saucepan?
Womp womp.
So just transfer that one over
so
there.
I'm gonna transfer this one from here to here.
Put this in here.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so yeah, add the olive oil. Let's add the rehydrated garlic and onion mixture. Cook that for 2 to 3 minutes.
There's a lot of garlic in this.
Yeah, we're gonna smell good. Curious about these candies.
I'm gonna be less curious in about 10 seconds.
It's like tamarind?
It's good.
I love tamarind stuff.
Mix of Pisco Sour. It comes with it.
It came with Pisco. We were like, okay, we have this Pisco drink. We're gonna make a Pisco Sour, but do we have the ingredients? Blah, blah, blah. It came with them.
Well, open it up. Okay, adding in the chicken. You want to add in the sauce? Yummy. Alright. Basically heat it all the way through.
Okay, and then add Parmesan cheese. Whoa.
That's the eggs. It sounds like a fire alarm.
Yeah, or like one of those alerts you get on your phone, like an Amber Alert or something.
Yeah.
A weather alert.
Could be an Amber Alert, could be a missing kid, could be that your eggs are done. Who knows? It's a mystery. Alright, so this is probably warmed
heated through?
Yeah, probably heated through.
So
Alright,
let's
so
add
chuck that in there.
Parmesan cheese.
And season with add Parmesan cheese to keep it from...
All of it, right?
Yep. Season with salt and pepper. Alright? You're in charge of the pepper.
Got it.
I'm in charge of the salt.
Okay, so we let that simmer for 5 minutes. You gonna make a drink?
Let's do it. Okay, 2 cups of ice.
Okay, 1 package of this. Half cup of water. So we do have a bottle of Pisco that was sent to us by the owner of Takeout Kit.
Thank you so much.
So I'm excited to try this. A lot of the recipes say either this or tequila, so I'm assuming that this tastes somewhat like tequila. Oh my gosh, it's been in my freezer. It's very cold.
This is probably done. I'm going to turn this off. There. Just take a shot out of a...
I'm just tasting it.
Right.
Yeah, it tastes a little like tequila.
Smells a little like tequila. Okay, we're good. That's it. Mix for 1 minute on high.
Alright. I thought these would be fun, sour
Nice.
glasses.
Beautiful. Yeah, that is an entire... That's a cup of alcohol.
Yeah.
These are basically martinis.
Well, let's see. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, foamy too. It's a fancy AF,
Yeah.
dude. Sour.
As like a very strong margarita.
Oh yeah, no, that's not a game.
Whoa, baby. It's good though.
That's super good.
Really good.
Yeah, I'm excited to have it with the food. Garnish with olives, the remaining walnuts, and boiled eggs. Okay, cool.
Awesome. Do you want rice first?
It showed it kind of as a blob on the side.
Oh, okay.
So we'll just do it the
Oh,
way.
I see what you're saying about it sticking together, yeah.
We'll do it like the picture has it. What is it supposed to feed? 3 to 4, right?
I think so.
Yeah, this should happily feed 3 to 4.
Yeah, we will definitely have leftovers. Do you want walnuts in yours?
Sure. Let's do it like they have recommended. All right. Lay some on me. I'm gonna cut these eggs. Put them all pretty like in there.
I'm gonna use all these olives because we have extra Kalamata in the fridge.
All right, dig in.
Okay, I'm so excited to try this.
Me too.
It smells good.
Didn't take that long to cook either.
No, it was simple. I love these recipes. They're always like that.
Mmm.
Good?
Hell yeah.
Mmm.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'll try a little bit of egg.
That's really good. Wow. That sauce is amazing.
Yeah, it's really good with the egg too.
I'm glad that we opted for the good quality chicken too.
Oh yeah.
Just, you know, we have it because those butcher boxes.
Yeah, it goes really well with that drink. Of course, after the drink, it won't matter what it tastes like. After that, yeah, because there's at least another one of those. It's a good thing we aren't driving anywhere. So another ridiculously good box. Yeah, I don't think we've had have we really had a failure on any of these? I think we had maybe one that was...
We redid the empanadas. The first time we made the empanadas,
they were like rock hard,
yeah,
right?
we did something bad to
the
the dough, but we remade them.
Yes.
And they were amazing.
Yeah,
we love the empanadas.
Yeah, we ruined all of Latin culture on that first one.
Yeah, but the shakshuka is really good. I've made that a couple of times. Yeah. We have a ramen and a pad thai in our pantry right now that I'm really excited to try.
Yeah.
So they do keep adding more recipes. The recipes that we've tried have all been really good. It's really delicious.
It's super good. And if you don't believe us, you should buy one for yourself and try it. Was that tricky enough?
That was cute.
All right.
That was cute. That was some good advertising for Takeout Kit.
Yeah.
Now they're really gonna love us.
Send us more boxes.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will leave all of the information in the description box. I would definitely check out Takeout Kit. I love their meals, and it's so nice to just have it up in the pantry for those nights when you're like, I don't know what to cook. I haven't been to the grocery store. I know. I've got a Takeout Kit. Really, really handy. They are shelf stable for like 3 months or something, which is nice. Okay, we'll see you in our next video. I'm gonna go eat. Bye.